Hello everyone. In this video, I will share step-by-step guide on how I made $100K with YouTube playlists. Almost everyone will tell you that to make money on YouTube, you have to upload videos. But you can get traffic to your affiliate offers without uploading any videos at all. I use YouTube playlists to bring traffic to my affiliate offers. I am promoting streaming video-on-demand offers. The affiliate networks I use are New Wave Media and Private CPA. You can see my earnings here from different networks. First, you need to sign up for the Private CPA network. Sign up link is in the video description. If you sign up with New Wave Media, they have hosting and a landing page. You will just need to buy a domain. But if you sign up with Private CPA, you will need to buy a domain, hosting, and landing page. If you do not have a landing page, you can buy from me. My Discord is in the comments. Once you have the domain, hosting, and offer ready, you need to create playlists for movies. You can do this manually, which is time-consuming and not easy to scale. Or you can use tubetoolbox.info, a playlist bot. You can use this playlist bot to create hundreds of thousands of playlists in a few minutes. The best thing about this bot is that it is completely free. You won't have to spend any money. Sign up free at tubetoolbox.info. You will need to confirm your email address. Once you have confirmed your email ID, you can log into the website. You will get 3 free credits every day. With 1 credit, you can create 15 playlists per day. In total, every day you can create 50 playlists. But if you want to upgrade your account to the super user, get 10 credits every day, which can help you to create 150, 200 playlists for free. You can join my Discord server link in the description. Now let me show you how to use the playlist bot. First, you need to create a YouTube account. Do not use your personal YouTube account that may get banned. Once you have created a new YouTube account, log into that account. Install the cookies, TXT Firefox plugin. Click on the plugin icon and select all or the current site. Plugin will save the cookies, TXT file. My bot does not require you to submit your YouTube account login. You just need to add the cookies, TXT file content to the website. After that, you need to enter your domain URL. My domain name is primeflix.xyz. If I select any movie on the homepage, you can see the full URL. It has the domain name primeflix.xyz/watch/tt movie ID. This is a movie ID. Now let's just add the domain name in the playlist bot website primeflix.xyz and create playlists. In a few minutes, the playlists will be created. I'm going to open one of the playlists. I'm going to click on the link. As you can see, it is not working because you will need to add /watch in the URL. Now I am going to enter the domain as primeflix.xyz/watch and create playlists. Playlists are created. I'm going to open a few of them and visit the website. As you can see, the URL redirects to the movie page. You can join my Discord if you need any help. Thank you for watching.